Guys, we're about to make an awesome rotisserie chicken white chili. It's quick, it's simple, you're gonna love it. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I have a lot of simple recipes like this one. So if that's your jam, subscribe for more. Grab your soup pot, heat it up, and get some oil going in there so you can saute your onions. As you can see, I'm using frozen onions, but fresh onions work too. I just needed to save a little time. Now I'm gonna saute these for about 3 minutes until they're nice and soft. And then I'm going to chop up some garlic and add it in there too. And the green chilies. And now let's saute this for another minute or two. And now that the onion and the green chilies have cooked down a little, let's add our spices and seasonings. I have cumin for that smoky flavor, oregano, and just a little pinch of cayenne. Let's give this a stir. Adding the spices here now toasts them up and releases their flavor right here with the onions and veggie base. I bought a rotisserie chicken and I just pulled all the meat. From one chicken, you can usually get 2 awesome meals, and this one only needs about half a chicken because I'm using 2 cans of white beans, which I've rinsed and drained. So let's add the beans to our pot. I'm gonna add some chicken stock in here. A little bit of water. Your chicken, you can chop it or you can pull it, whatever texture you like in your soups. I'm just gonna give this a quick chop and add it to my pot. Pulling the rotisserie chicken, once you bring it home and it's cooled off to like room temperature, is the best way to go. The meat comes easily. And like I said, I usually buy one once a week, maybe at the beginning of the week, so I know that I can pull emergency meals off like this when I'm coming home late. And I need something ready in 20 minutes. Let's add the chicken to the pot, give it a good stir. And now we wanna bring it to a boil. And I'm gonna put my lid on and simmer it covered for just 15 minutes. The place smells amazing. This is ready to go. The final step here is to add the juice of a lime directly in there. I'm just gonna take my lime and squeeze it directly in my soup. I'm also gonna add cilantro in here before I serve it, about 1/4 of a bunch. Just going to take it and chop it and add it into my chili. It's the smallest details like the lime juice and the cilantro that really takes this white chicken chili over the top. Let me ladle some so you can see up close how hearty it is. Every spoonful is full of nutritious ingredients and it tastes so good. So good. Grab all the ingredient measurements right below this video and let me know how much you enjoyed it. See you next time.